have been a type 1 diabetic for the past 6 years. After creating a survey and asked type 1 diabetics to fill out about what sort of problems they encounter every day while managing their diabetes, I surprisingly got over 400 responses in the past 10 months. Did you know that 43% of type 1 diabetics are still using the insulin pen and do not want to use an insulin pump because of the constant attachments and the fact that it is a continuous reminder of their condition? The top 3 problems that type 1 diabetics encounter and want to see a solution to are: 1. They feel like they have too much to carry around everywhere. 2. Counting carbohydrates is complex and takes too long. And 3. Disposing of used needles and strips isn't available when you're away from home. I have decided to concentrate on type 1 diabetics who use the insulin pen. With that in mind, I came across these 2 interesting products that I then chose to incorporate into my final solution. A laser lancet that is less painful than other ordinary needle lancets, and the other being a snappable pen-fill needle rather than screwing them in. These 2 products are already out there, however not widely available yet. I have designed the Multii. Multii is a device that is targeted for type 1 diabetics who are using insulin pens. Multii intends to reduce the equipment needed to carry around, help count carbohydrates, and efficiently dispose of used needles while away from the home. The design of the Multii combines the blood glucose monitor, an insulin pen, and a portable sharps container into a compact device. It has a number of features that include storage compartments for 6 new pen-fill needles. It has a laser lancet, has a compartment that holds a stack of 50 test strips that gets automatically ejected, a touchscreen for an easier interface, an insulin pen that has a vacuum wall like the thermos technology, which is used to control the temperature of the insulin, keeping it cool at different temperatures. And finally, it has a barcode scanner where the user gets to scan a barcode from a packaged food item, and the device connects to the internet through a nearby Bluetooth device or computer to download nutritional information about the specific food item, which then Multii automatically calculates the appropriate dose. Let me show you how Multii works. The user checks his blood sugars. The lancet guard is then lifted up and the finger gets pricked with the laser lancet. The test strip automatically ejects and the user places the blood drop onto the test strip. After the reading is shown, the test strip is placed into the sharps container attached underneath. The food item is then scanned, and the device will automatically calculate how much insulin is required. The insulin pen then gets detached and clicked into the side of the device to snap on a new pen-fill needle. The user then twists off the cap. The user then dials the required dose, primes the insulin pen, and then injects it into the arm. Once that's done, the user then snaps the pen-fill needle off into the sharps container, and then the insulin pen is then attached back onto the device. Once the sharps container gets full, it can be detached to see how full it is, and then by dragging the guide down, the used needles and strips should come out into the large sharps container such as this one. Thank you for your time.